Ladies and gentlemen, the winners of Miss KARBI Youth Festival 2023 will get to represent KARBI Anglong in the 20th edition of Sunsilk Mega Miss Northeast next year. Congratulations ladies, you made it to the top 5.
It really means a lot, but this is only because of, this has been only possible because of all the top 15 of you, I think. Alright, we have with us the panel of judges. Before we declare, what do you think, how was the experience, Nirupama? She's from Manipur, and Nirupama, just share your experience.
A very good evening, KARBI ANGLONG. I am Sarangtam Nirupama, all the way from Manipur. I came here not to judge the contest. I came here to inspire the youth of KARBI ANGLONG to not to give up in your dreams, no matter how hard it is. Don't let anyone stop you from achieving your dream. Thank you.
Wonderful, Nirupama. I think we should see how Nirupama takes the rep. Ladies and gentlemen, presenting to you Sunsilk Mega Miss Northeast, Nirupama from Manipur. Can we have you here? From next we have Chanchui. Share your thoughts how this experience has been, because she has traveled KARBI Anglong. So what do you have to say?
Kardom KARBI Anglong. From the moment I had stepped into this land, it has been such a beautiful and gratifying experience. From the going to the beautiful waterfalls, parks, places, visiting the handlooms and the textiles, and stepping into TARALANGSO has been one of the greatest blessings that I will always remember. I would have to say that this place will hold a very place in my heart, because not just from the places but from even the food. I really love the food. I'm a person who really enjoys having food, trying out new cuisine. So I think there's something very special about this place, and wherever I go, I'll be sharing this journey, these memories that I have lived in this beautiful place. And thank you so much, KARBI Anglong. Have a wonderful night, and all the best to the winners who are about to be announced. Thank you.
Ladies and gentlemen, presenting another co-winner of Sunsilk Mega Miss Northeast, Chanchui Kai from Manipur. Before we, Pinky, please join us. What do you have to say of this experience, this moment we have captured together?
Good evening, Dipu. Hello, everyone. Okay, I feel great being here, and thank you to all the team to invite me here. Thank you so much, and I have experienced such a good thing here, especially the tradition and the love of the people. You people are such a darling. I love you all. Thank you so much, and all the the best to all the contestants. Thank you.
Thank you, Pinky. Let's have Pinky on stage.
Girls be only having the fun. I think we should have our 3 male judges on stage and on ramp. Judges, please come here. Cheer up for all the 3 male judges, ladies and gentlemen. Let's see them on stage. Come. Thank you so much. Before we announce the winners, let's remind you that the winners tonight, all the 3 winners tonight, will represent KARBI ANGLONG in the 20th Sunsilk Mega Miss Northeast, and also, hopefully, in the 50th edition of KARBI ANGLONG Youth Festival, KARBI Youth Festival. We might bring down 20 to 30 countries like Mr. Spain, Mr. Brazil, Mr. Tahiti, 20 to 30 countries on the stage wearing your outfits, your tradition, representing the whole world. Ladies and gentlemen, this is, we call it KARBI Youth Festival. To do the honor, we have the second runner-up initial announcement. Can I have the crown and sash and the awards on stage?
Let's go! Let's go! Opportunity, don't miss. We have the opportunity, don't miss.
2023 second runner-up is contestant number 14, Henry. Your second runner-up of Miss KARBI Youth Festival. Please take your first walk.
Miss Karbi Youth Festival. Runner-up to the winner is
Contestant number 13, Roop Talo.
Ladies and gentlemen, runner-up to the winner, Miss Karbi Youth Festival. Please take a walk. All the three ladies, please take a center stage. Yeah, come. The winner tonight of Miss Karbi Youth Festival and also will represent Karbi Anglong in the 28th Sansal Mega Miss Northeast is contestant number 6, clear winner. Your winners of Miss Karbi Youth Festival, firstly take your official walk with the Sunsil Mega Miss Daughters winners. Welcome to the Mega Entertainment family. Ladies and gentlemen, please make some noise.
Congratulations to all the 3 winners. And with this, we have come to the end of the Miss KYF 2023. Thank you so much, each and every one of you, for being here with us till the end as we